Hello everyone and welcome back to the Tableau tutorial series. In our previous videos, we have covered a lot of ground and laid down a solid foundation in Tableau. We begin this journey by understanding what Tableau is and how to use it to turn raw data into insightful visual stories. We started off by learning how to connect Tableau public to our datasets, navigated through the Tableau interface, and become familiar with the workspace layout. We then explored different visualization techniques, starting with the bar charts in Sheet 1 to compare categorical values. Moving forward, we learn about the line charts in Sheet 2 to analyze trend over time. Then we visualize the proportions using pie charts in Sheet 3. And in the last video, we dove into geographical data using map charts in Sheet 4, where we analyze regional performance visually on map. Now that we have built a good understanding of various charts, now let's move on a step further in our visualization journey. We will now create a brand new worksheets at the bottom of your screens. Click the small tab with the plus icon to open a sheet 5. So on this sheet, we are going to explode and create one of the most space efficient and impactful visualization in Tableau, the Treemap. So first of all, we see how what is Treemap. A tree map is a graphical representation of hierarchical data using a nested rectangles. Each rectangle corresponds to a category or a subcategory, and the area of the rectangle is proportional to its values. Typically, measures such as a sales, revenue, or a profit. So the tree map helps us visualize the structure of data, identify patterns, cluster, and outliers at a glance. So tree map works especially when you have to data with a hierarchical relationship such as the categories and the subcategories. You want to analyze the distribution of measures like sales across many segments. When you need to quickly compare relative size and spot dominant contributors within a group. When a space on the dial boards is limited and you need to compact summaries views in that case. So let's now use the sample superstore datasets and learn how to build a tree map from scratch. So first, head over to the data pane on the left side of your screen. Under dimensions, locate subcategory and drag it onto the row shelves. Then go to the measures section and drag cell onto the column shelf. So at this point, Tableau will display a simple bar charts. So that's completely fine. It's just the default behavior of Tableau. Now to change the view to a tree map, go to the top right sections and click on the show me panel. So in the chart option grid, you will see chart type that looks like many small rectangles packed together. So that's the tree map. So click on it, and just like that, Tableau transform your view into a fully functional tree. You can see every triangle now visible in your view represented as subcategories of products. And the size of each box is determined by the sales volume for the subcategory. So the larger boxes indicates higher sales. So this already gives us a great high level overview of which subcategories are performing better. But right now everything is still on one level. So let's enhance this further by adding more hierarchy and insights to our visualization. So to bring is an additional level of hierarchy, drag the category field from dimensions and drop it in onto the label card in the mark pane. Now each box will now not only show the subcategory but also its parent category. Next, drag the category field and drop it on the color card. So this will group all the subcategories by their main category and apply different colors for each groups, making it visually easier to distinguish between furnitures, office supplies, and technology. So to enrich interactivity, You can also drag category to the detail sections. So this ensures that tooltips and interactivity respect the hierarchical relationship. Now to display the numeric value on each box, drag the cell column and drop it onto label column. Also, you can check by clicking on the label card and check the options show marks labels. Tableau will now display the sales figures directly inside the rectangle. You can customize how these labels appears. Adjust the font size to make them easier to read. Use bold style for better visibility. Align them to the center, middle, so that the text looks neatly placed. To improve the overall look of your visualization, you can go to the color card and choose border to add a black outline around each box. So this helps distinguish closely packed rectangle more clearly. Now want to show profit data alongside sales. So let's do it. Drag a profit to the color card to replace or layer it with sales. Tableau will now use color intensity to reflect profit values. The deeper the color, the higher the profit. If a subcategory has a loss, it might show up in a red or orange shades. So depending on your color palette. So make this visually intuitive, click color, edit color, and select a diverging color scales like a red, blue, or orange green. So this helps you spots both high performing and underperforming areas instantly. Now let's add filter to narrow down the view by region. So drag region from the dimensions and drop into the filter shell. For now, keep all the regions selected and click OK. Now drag region again into the workplace and place it onto the filter pan on the right hand side. So this will give you a user friendly filter control where viewers can dynamically switch between returns and instantly see how the tree map changes. So this kind of interactivity makes your visualization not only informative but also highly engaging. So sorting helps a user focus on the most significant values. To sort, right click on the subcategory, select sort and sort by sale in descending order. Now let's make the tooltip more useful. Click on the tooltip card and rewrite the tooltip text to something like this. So this custom tooltips helps user quickly understand the data behind each rectangle when they over it. So that was the step-by-step guide to creating a tree map in Tableau Public using the sample Superstore dataset. We learned how to use the show P panel to switch chart types, how Tableau interprets build a field in the view, and how to enhance the tree map with hierarchy structures, color gradients, tooltips, interactivity, and formatting for better readability and deeper insights. In the next video, we will explore another exciting visualization type that expand on these concepts and help you build more dynamic and informative dashboards in Tableau. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.